Yeah, I think the way you can increase your views, I don't know how you are currently using your community tab. Um, that will help you to promote your older videos as well that are not getting views. There are a lot of ways you can use your community tab. You can post a picture and then drop your link above it. You can drop your link on its own and then the video will display for them to click on. Um, Another way, I'm not sure if anyone else has thought of this, but I do it a lot on my one. So basically, you can ask, on your community tab, when you can ask your audience a multiple choice question, at the same time you're asking that multiple choice question, you can drop a link of your most recent video. So you're getting like two for the price of one. You're getting interaction from your multiple choice question at the same time you've dropped your link so they can watch your video as well. That is really good. That helps to bring in more views. I think the fastest way to get your subscribers in 2024 is to post